So here's a quick update on my pineapple. As you can see, it is finally growing. Check it out. It is pretty awesome. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to taste this one. Guys, if you've been following the channel, this has been 3 full years in the making. As you can see on the side, there's another one. When it first started, I wasn't sure if I was gonna cut it out just so this one can have more nutrients, but I decided just to leave it alone. And this year, 3 years later, it is finally growing. And all of this started with the regular pineapple from the grocery store. All I did was take off the top and pretty much put it in a cup of water until it sprouted roots. And then I just replanted it outside. I am in Kentucky, so winter is just around the corner. I'm hoping this finishes growing by then. If not, I will take it inside of the house just so it can finish. And as you can see, there's definitely some water in there. It rained yesterday, so hopefully the next couple of days we will experience a growth spurt. Once it's finished growing, I will cut it and I'll probably make another video showing you guys pretty much everything, like how big it grew and how it tastes. That is the most important part. But from all the stuff I read online, everyone is saying that it is going to be way sweeter and way juicier than the regular store-bought. So I'm excited to try it. So if you're interested in growing your own pineapple, just go to the store and grab one. And then in about 3 years of waiting, you'll be able to receive your own pineapple. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see the next one. Peace out.